Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a blog to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you want to go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can start with adding a blog to WordPress. This is what we want to do. Basically, what you want to do guys is find the pages section right here. So by clicking on the pages section at the left side screen, it's going to open up this pages section right here where we can get started with adding a new page. So you want to click add a new page button. After clicking add new page, it's going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and select what kind of page you want to get started with adding. So once it opens up the menu, as you can see, we can get started with adding a new page. We can add a new blank page that you can go ahead and create your blog from zero, or at the left side screen right here, you can see there is already a pre-made template for blog posts. You can open up blog posts and now you can select what kind of template you want for making your blog. So go ahead and open up the template, and once you open up the template, this is going to showcase you how it works in this editor mode. You can get started with importing your blogs and making it look how you want to look, and after that just click publish in the upper right corner and get started. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.